Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the APM series. Okay, one of the comment, right? One person was asked, right, how to automate the incoming call in the APM. That was a comment which is asked. So thought of right, explaining how to automate the incoming call, right, with the help of APM. Okay, as usual, we should set the desired capabilities. Okay, cab set capability, platform name, device name, UID, UDID, and no need of app package and activity here. I'm just deleting the existing code, removing that. Okay, now I need to set the APM URL also. Thus, the URL to pinpoint the server. Okay, then the Android driver equal to new Android driver. So all these things should be set as we did in the previous videos. Okay, okay, so this is the code of the previous video of the right YouTube search video code. So I deleted the unwanted codes, just only the necessary code I kept, that is share capabilities of platform name, platform version, device name, okay, and the UDID. I kept this. Okay, now we need to automate the particular incoming call which is I'm getting in my mobile. Okay, okay, for that I need to write one code, Java code, right? Runtime dot get runtime dot execute, and I need to get the right ADB shell input key event key code call. Okay, ADB shell input key event key code underscore call to answer the call, incoming call. To answer the incoming call, we need to execute ADB shell input key event key code underscore call. So this is, I'll give a thread dot sleep. So this will capture the incoming call and it will attend the call. Okay, let me run the code. Before that, right, run the code. First, let me run the code. Let the device be opened. I need to first write call. 1 minute. Now call is coming, right? We need to write attend the call. Okay, it is going to attend the call. 1 minute. It executed. Now call is attended, right? This is how we can automate the incoming call. Suppose I want to reject a call. Okay, there is a case where I need to reject the call. For that, what I need to do is I'll cut the call. Again, we'll run. Okay, let me comment the code. Suppose a call is coming, I need to reject it. Okay, I'll again copy and paste it. Runtime dot get time execute key code end call. In that, we for attending a call we gave key code call. For rejecting a call we need to give key code end call. Okay, let me run again. Okay, a call is coming, right? We need to cut it, reject it. Okay, so now the call should be rejected, not attended now. So this is how the call should be rejected. Okay, now it rejected, right? So hope that person users question is been answered in this video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.